today. If you have watched my previous videos, you might be knowing that I suffered from acne for several years of my life and now my skin is completely clear. I always say that healthy skin is a reflection of your overall internal health, and whether you have acne or any other skin condition, you need to address it internally. But that does not mean that you don't need to take care of your skin externally. So today I'll be drawing out all my skincare secrets to you. So whether you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, oily skin or a completely normal skin, this skincare regimen will definitely work for you. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. The first step in my skincare regimen is to cleanse my skin of the oil and the dirt present therein. I do this every morning and evening before going to the bed. This is especially important if you are going outdoors and are being exposed to the toxins and the dirt in the atmosphere. I have tried my hands on a number of different face washes and cleansers during all these years, and that's because I have studied skincare science in great detail. I am very selective about the kind of products I choose because I have studied the ingredients which are the healthiest for the skin. So one of my most favorite face washes or cleansers is this one from the Oral Derma company. It's called Yelis, and it is such a unique blend of such magical ingredients that I simply love this product. I got it from a nearby pharmacist, and if you get your hands on this one, I can assure you that you're going to love this one as well. Irrespective of whether you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin or any combination skin, this is such a good product. It has got such ingredients like sodium lauryl sarcosinate, which is a much milder alternative to sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. SLS is present in most of the soaps and the face washes, but it is a bit harsh and irritating to the skin of some people. So it does not have any sulfates, it does not have any parabens. It has got cocoa amido propylbutane, which is a much gentle cleanser, a much gentle emulsifier, and helps to clean the skin without ripping it of its natural oils and the moisture. It has got glycerin, which is a natural emollient and softens the skin. It has got skin lightening agents like arbutin and glutathione, which is a natural antioxidant required for the general maintenance of the skin. It also has got several fruit acids which help to shed off the dead skin cells, leaving a more renewed and a smoother complexion. So in my opinion, this is one of the best cleansers available on the shelf these days. I could not find it online, but in case you can, then please let me know in the comment section below. In case you can get hold of this one, then there is another one that you can try, and that is the AHA Glow Face Wash. The only con of this one compared to Yelis is that it has got sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a bit harsh to some people, but that is compensated for by the high concentration of aloe vera extract in this, so that makes this one a gentle cleanser as well. Besides, it has got glycolic acid, which is again an exfoliant, and alpha hydroxy acid, and therefore it helps to shed off the dead skin cells from our skin, leaving a more renewed and a smoother and clearer complexion. So this is a very good face wash as well. This is easily available online and works very well for me. So whichever of the two you can get, you can try, or you can alternate between the two and let me know how your feedback is about these two products. I'm sure you're going to love both of them. The second step in my skincare regimen consists of the use of a toner. Now this is an optional step. Several people do not use a toner, but if you do, I am sure you will reap the benefits in the long term, especially if you have open pores. The role of a toner after cleansing the skin is to prepare the skin to absorb all the lovely ingredients in the moisturizer which we follow up after this. So the one which I love the most is this one from Iron Deep Cleansing Facial Toner. It is a blend of several wonderful ingredients, all of which are very healthy for our skin. It helps to balance the pH of our skin. It has got glycolic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid that helps to shed off the dead skin cells, leaving a more renewed and even complexion on the skin. It has got glycerin, which is a non-comedogenic emollient which leaves our skin smooth and supple and radiant. It has got witch hazel extract which brightens up our skin, and it has got several wonderful ingredients. Besides that, it is completely alcohol free, so it does not dry out our skin. It is paraben free, so it is completely safe to use, and it comes in a spray bottle, so it can be easily sprayed all over the face without consuming too much of your time. So I'm sure you will love this one as well. You can easily get this online, and it comes at a very nominal price. So please go out and try this one. The third step in my skincare routine is to use a moisturizer in order to keep it hydrated, nourished and plump. I have tried my hands on several different moisturizers during all these years, and I still keep experimenting with different moisturizers because my skin is much more tolerant and flexible with respect to the products that it can take now. Now when we are looking for a good moisturizer, we want to go for three basic properties. It should have ingredients which act as a humectant, meaning it should absorb moisture from the environment. Secondly, it should act as a good emollient. It should soothe and nourish your skin. Thirdly, it should act as an occlusive, meaning it should form a protective seal on the surface of your skin, thereby preventing the loss of hydration to the environment. In this context, one of the moisturizers which I love the most is the one from the Cipla company. This is called Excella Rich. It is an amazing blend of such wonderful ingredients which have all the three roles which I just mentioned. For example, it has hyaluronic acid, which is super hydrating and acts as a humectant. So you don't have to invest in a separate serum based on hyaluronic acid. Secondly, it has got glycolipids, glycosphingolipids, squalane, all of which are natural components of the plasma membranes found in all our body cells, including the skin. And thirdly, it has dimethicone, which acts as an occlusive. That is, it prevents the loss of hydration to the environment. So in my opinion, this is one of the best moisturizers you can get on the shelf. It is easily available online. It glides very smoothly all over your skin and gives it that radiant and the bright glow that we are all looking for. And if you are a bit on the oily side or are still breaking out, then there is another moisturizer that you can try, and it is this one from Cipla. This is called Excella, and this has got lots of niacinamide. Lots of YouTubers these days are raving about the positive effects of niacinamide, and for all the right reasons. Niacinamide is vitamin B3, which helps to reduce the redness on our skin, tightens our pores, reducing the shininess, and the best of all, this product is completely fragrance free and paraben free, so you don't have the risk of any side effects with this product. So please go ahead and give a try to both of these products. And I think both of these are quite good for all types of skin, including the oily and the acne prone skin. But if you are more on the oily side, then this is a must for you. And finally, the last step in my skincare regime comprises of using a sunscreen or a sunblock to protect my skin from the sun. Obviously, I do it only during the morning hours before I move outdoors, because this needs to be applied 20 to 30 minutes prior to exposure to the sun. Some people prefer to use it indoors as well, because they sit in their living rooms where they have enough exposure to the sun. My most favorite sunscreen which I have been using is this one from Brinton, UV Dogs. This is a silicone sunscreen gel. It is an SPF of 50 and is PA+++, which basically means that it offers protection against UVA as well as the UVB rays. This is my favorite one because it has a matte finish. It glides very smoothly all over your skin. This is completely non-comedogenic, so it doesn't break you out, and is suitable for oily, dry as well as a normal skin. It is completely waterproof, sweat resistant, and besides that, it is a combination of chemical as well as physical sunscreens. It has an ingredient called octyl methoxycinnamate, which is a chemical sunscreen and helps to protect by directly absorbing the sun's rays, while the physical sunscreen ingredients include zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which help to protect our skin by physically deflecting the sun's rays. So this offers a combination of both, and this is therefore my go-to sunscreen. This is easily available online, and this one tube lasts me for almost 4 months. I recommend this to all my friends, my mom as well as my sister. So I think you should give it a try as well. If you have any doubts or any questions or want me to review any skincare products, then please leave me a comment below and I will definitely respond to you. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell button, because when you do, you will get an instant notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.